Hey, good morning, guys. It's Brad with Bolo Pickers. My wife Angela and I run a full time online selling business through Amazon, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace. We also own a local bookstore. That's where we're at now. We're in the back of that. We're getting ready to pull some orders for eBay and Amazon today. I think we have between 12 and 15 orders. It was a really solid Tuesday, so stick with us. All right, guys, so I just looked on eBay. We have 12 orders going out. It's for a total of $547.66. So pretty good day there. And then we have one item going out on Amazon. It's a puzzle. It sold for $32. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to flip you around here, and we're going to break down everything that we sold on eBay. So first one up, I accidentally listed this as a auction. I normally list most items, probably 99% of our items go to Ben, buy it now, and we usually do best offers on almost everything. But this is for 3 Poise Impressa bladder supports. If you've been a fan of the channel, you saw that we sold a couple of these on Ben last week. These I put on auction by accident, and they sold much higher than I thought. I probably would have listed these for about $40, and it ended up selling for $52 with 23 bids, and it's free shipping. So these I bought on clearance at Menards, not Menards, Meijer, which is a local Midwest grocery store. It's really similar to a Super Walmart or a Super Target. These were on clearance, and I think I only paid $1 a piece for them. So a pretty good deal there. So we're happy with that, especially since I messed it up and then they went. We sold a Totoro, I don't know how to pronounce this, Totoro, my neighbor. This sold for $9, free shipping. We just kind of undercut everybody on this a little bit by, like, I don't know, $1 or so. But that will cost $2.80 to ship media. And that was up less than 24 hours. So we've been listing like crazy trying to get our numbers up. And it always pays off when we do. It seems like our sales always go up pretty well afterwards. So tote number 2 has our next item, which is it's down there in the corner. This is 2 bags of Starbucks decaf Pike Place, and I believe these are expired. I have to get them out and look. March 12th of this year. So this is expired coffee. We do sell coffee occasionally, and usually it's expired because we didn't get to it, or we bought it on a deal or something like that. So this is a 2-pack decaf Pike Place, and this sold for $10.80, and the buyer paid shipping. I imagine we probably bought this on clearance, and we're making just a little bit of money on there, probably not much. Listed this yesterday, and it sold right away. It's right there. This is a Funko Pop Uncle Fester. This didn't sell for much either. It was damaged, as you can see. We sold this on Amazon. It got damaged. It got sent back. We probably paid, I don't know, $8 for it. We do have a wholesale account, so maybe we paid less. Maybe we only paid $4, but it's a Walgreens exclusive, so that means we paid probably between $5 and $10 for it. It sold for $9. It's free shipping. It's more or less trying to get it out of the way. I had it out in the bookstore for a long time, and nobody bought it, so I figured we would just get it sold on eBay. One of the coolest items I think I've ever come across. Doesn't make us a ton of money, but it's very cool looking. Sold last night for $17 plus shipping. It is this vintage retro neon, I gotta make sure I get all the pieces out of here, phone. So it's blue. It's a blue neon. So if you look right there, it's got the neon light. It's not on, obviously, and you can't tell it's blue, but we sold that for $18. Buyer paid shipping. I think I have like $3 into it from a thrift store, but I really think it's like the coolest phone ever. So I'm gonna show you a picture of what it looks like when it's lit up. So check that out. Look how cool that is. So $17 plus the buyer paid the $8 in shipping. We sold a Battlefield 2 computer game. So DVDs, computer games, board games, puzzles. We've been talking about it with everything going on in the world right now, everybody's inside, everybody's trying to stay entertained. And man, this box 11, we've sold a lot of stuff out of here. It is still chock full of stuff and just tough to get in there. I believe this is it. Yeah, Battlefield 2 PC CD. I paid, I want to say $1.99 or maybe $2.99 for this. So we're not making a whole bunch of money on this. Sold for $11.30 plus free shipping. This will also go media mail and will probably cost us about $3.20 to $3.50 to ship that out. So fast and easy. We will make some money on that item. Next item up is a pair of shoes, and these shoes are pretty nice. Let's see where they're at. BS2E2. Oh yeah, these are super cool shoes. But I don't see them in BS2E2. It looks like the other pair of shoes. These are men's Echo Light Casual Oxfords. Sold for $24.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. Hopefully you guys can see that. My camera lens went off there for a second. And I don't think BS2E2 is here. And these are definitely not it. Those are running shoes. These look to be like Salomon's or Brooks. They look more like they would be down there. Well. Ah, there they are. There they are. Man, we have just not been very good at naming these as of late. So BS2G2 is where it was at, but this is what they look like right there. It's always good to verify with the picture what you're shipping, because if not, I would have grabbed the wrong pair of shoes. And that would have been very cool, because then I would have shipped the wrong pair of shoes out, and then that starts a whole new process. We sold our Livestrong items in BS2F4, which is here. And I have to give a shout out to Matt at Part-Time Picker. He's the one I saw in the video. He picked up a whole bunch of these at one of his thrift stores, and he lotted them together, and they sell like once every 2 or 3 weeks. We got 2 different sets. This was a set of 12 Livestrong yellow bracelets. These are the large, extra large. The small, the kid size, the youth ones sold really quick, but this sold for $19.99 plus free shipping. This will go in a poly bag, and we'll ship it just like that, and it will cost us about $3, maybe $3.50 to ship. But Matt's the one that showed these to me on his video. I've watched his stuff every day, and he actually sold some of these this weekend. So shout out to Part-Time Pickers for showing us that these sell well. We paid $2.99 for that set right there, and it sold for $20. So we're gonna make about 14-15 bucks before the fees come out. All right, up next is a Sharpie Clearview highlighter. This sold for $5.99 and it was free shipping. This is something, I'm not sure, I think we bought these on clearance for like 10 cents or 25 cents after school. Went back in last year, and I was gonna lot them up, but in the end what I decided to do, we had 5 of them and I listed them at $5.99 free shipping. I took 1 picture, 2 pictures, and it took me less than a minute to list this. So that will ship for about $3, so we'll make around $2 on it. And we've got 5 of them, and it just takes slide it into a bubble mailer and send it on its way. Next up item here, so we have 2 big items today, so I'm gonna show those last. Let's do this next item. Kensington is in tote 1. This is a mouse, sold for $10 and the buyer paid shipping. This is a Kensington mouse. Let me see where exactly this thing is. We got all kinds of stuff in here. I know he's in here, because I remember putting him in here. All right, hold on. I'm gonna put you guys down so I can find it. Okay, I found it. Here it is, a Kensington mouse, $10 plus shipping. Paid $1.99 or maybe 99 cents at the thrift store for this. It would have sold for more, but the little rubber pieces on the side are starting to come up a little bit. I was really descriptive. It's a little chewed up right there, but I was really descriptive in our listing notes and said that it's starting to come off, but it's still usable because it is. And we tested it and it works, so a nice easy sale there. It was up for a little while. The last 2 items we sold are our biggest items, the biggest chunks of money. And the first one is a Medela breast pump. And this is going to the Philippines, and it's up there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to grab it without this box falling on me. But it's right here. Let's see if we can slide it out of there. Oh, yep, we can. So this is going to the Philippines. We got this on Facebook Marketplace, and I paid $10 for it. And we sold this. It made us some good money. It was open. So Medela has the little seal on it that says that if it's open or not for hygiene purposes, you know, don't share all that. When you open it up inside, the items are all sealed on the inside. So it was new, open box. That's how I sold it. And I said this was going to go to the Philippines, but it's actually going to San Francisco. When it originally popped up, it was the Philippines, so I'm not quite sure why it's doing that. But we sold it for $120, and we did free shipping on it, so it's going to go in a box. Probably going to go FedEx or UPS to save us some money, but we'll see when we get there. But it's probably going to cost about $20 to $30 to ship that. That's a pretty good flip, and it sold less than 72 hours after we listed it. Last item is what they call Hunt a Killer. I don't know why this empty box is up there. And these are what they look like right here. All right, these are brand new. There was one that was open. I got these a long time ago and I never played them. And I just happened to look on Facebook or on eBay to see if they sell. There's 6 of them, and there was 2 additional envelopes in there that they'd sent. And this set right here sold for $187, and buyer paid shipping as well. So if you see these out and they're new and they're taped up just like this, right? They got the tape on them, or even used, these sell for big money. This is a membership club, and they mail you a box every month. I think it's like 20 bucks or maybe $30. I'm not quite sure. I did it a long time ago, but I never played them. I don't know why I never played them, but I never did. But when I saw how much they were worth online, I went ahead and sold them. And like I said, they sold for $187, and they paid $8 in shipping as well. And that was up less than 48 hours. So moving on, that was our eBay. eBay's all done. We're going to pack all that stuff up. As you can see, this is everything going out today. Got a better computer back here, so it's going to be a lot faster for me. We kind of upgraded there. And then we have an Amazon order going out. And I've got to pull it up and see. It's another puzzle because, you know, puzzles have been just going crazy right now. In fact, I'm doing a puzzle at home as well. This is a Buffalo Games. It's called Tropical Paradise. Sold for $32.99. Let's see here. This looks like what it should look like. This is called What a View. So that's not it. Tropical Paradise. Oh. Right here in front of me. Tropical Paradise. There it is. And this, this brown paper that you see here, I was thinking about using our mannequin, which if you look over here has this hilarious Trump shirt, "We shall overcome," with cat on it. The mannequin was originally going to go here and we're going to take pictures, but I got it to downsize where it will stand up, and I'm going to bring it over here to our photo studio and do it right there, and I think it's going to look a lot better. So here's the puzzle that sold $32.99. We paid $9 for it, and merchant fulfilled. We'll ship that out to the customer today. All right, guys, we got another order in while we were finishing up our shipping, and it's down here. This is Harlequin Romance. We put all of our romance books 25% off in the store, and it's down here in RM5. And this was a lot of 60 Harlequin Romance from the 1990s, and it sold on a discount for for $36, and the buyer paid us $12 in shipping because it is kind of heavy. But it's just the small Harlequin Romance. They look like this, and these are the Temptation series and some other series mixed in, I believe. Let me double check here, but nope, it's all the Temptations. So pretty good sale there. We're going to pack this up, leave it right in this box, put some pack material in there, and get this shipped out right away to the customer. Keep in mind, the faster that you ship items, we do 1 day, 1 business day, within 1 business day shipping, I think is what it's called. And keep in mind, when you do faster shipping, I feel, I'm not an expert on it, I don't know the actual algorithms, but I feel like when you ship it as soon as they order, and you do that all the time, during the day hours like we are right now, that it pushes your other listings up in the algorithm, or it gives you a better rating overall, or however that works. Don't know it for a fact, but that's what I believe, because typically when I'm shipping, we get orders in. So just a thought, ship it as soon as you can, get it out the door. Plus the customer gets it faster, which means they're happier. And especially right now with everybody being at home, it's a good thing to do for the customer. So we had another order come in while I was shipping these other items. And this is a Vintage Sunset Designs Jiffy Stitchery Kit, 285 Orange Daisy Bouquet, new. This is in BS1B1. It's right here. So this will go into a bubble mailer and we'll just send it out just like that. Keep your eye out on stitchery like this, guys, because some of these are worth a ton of money. They can be. This one wasn't worth a ton of money, but I think we paid 50 cents for it and it sold for $5 and the buyer paid shipping. So just make sure you're keeping your eye out on stitch work, especially new ones, because some of them can be worth a ton of money. I really hope you guys are liking our videos. I really hope that what sold helps you. That's the whole purpose of us doing them. And if you guys want to request any other type of videos, how-to videos, different things, maybe Amazon stuff, just comment below and let us know what you'd like to see. We've got plenty of stuff to keep shipping. Our death pile was huge, and we're listing 20 to 30 items a day, and we still got a ton in here if you can see it back there. So if there's something else you guys want to see, you may not have the death pile like we do, or you may not be able to source and you have no inventory. If there's something you want to learn, let us know. I'll be glad to walk through it. But until then, like this video, subscribe so you get every video that we're doing. I'm trying to do one every single day, if not every other day. And we appreciate every view, every subscribe, and every like that we get. So we'll talk to you guys soon.